How to use MyCase document management properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most legal professionals assume managing documents in MyCase is straightforward, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to lost files, compliance issues, or inefficient workflows. The first mistake is failing to organize folders properly. MyCase allows for client-specific folders and matter organization. Beginners who save files haphazardly risk wasting time searching for important documents. Another common error is not setting permissions correctly. Sensitive files should have restricted access. Beginners who neglect permissions may expose confidential information or violate privacy regulations. Many users also fail to version control. MyCase supports updates and tracking changes. Beginners who overwrite documents without version history risk losing critical information or making errors in legal filings. Overlooking integration with other tools is another pitfall. MyCase can sync with calendars, emails, and billing systems. Beginners who ignore integrations may miss deadlines or duplicate work. Finally, some professionals underestimate the importance of backups. MyCase is secure, but additional backups or downloads provide extra protection. Beginners who skip this step risk losing essential documents in rare technical issues. To use MyCase document management properly, organize folders, set permissions, track versions, integrate tools, and maintain backups. Avoid these mistakes, and your firm will handle legal documents efficiently, securely, and reliably.